Hey there, fellow money savers. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into something that can make a huge difference in your financial life. We all want to save money, right? Well, I've got a fantastic plan for you to save a whopping $10,000 in just 52 weeks. Yes, you heard it right. Stick around as I share some amazing tips and tricks that will have you stacking up those dollars faster than you thought possible. Let's get started. Segment 1. Setting the goal. Alright, first things first, setting the goal. Having a clear objective is crucial when it comes to saving money. So, grab your pen and paper, and let's write down that big, beautiful goal. Save $10,000 in just 1 year. It might seem ambitious, but trust me, with the right plan, you'll be celebrating your success before you know it. Segment 2. Creating your savings plan. Now that you've set your goal, it's time to break it down into manageable chunks. Open up your spreadsheet or grab a calendar. We're making a savings plan. Break down that $10,000 into weekly increments. That's roughly $192 per week. Start by cutting down on unnecessary expenses. That daily coffee run can add up. Remember, it's not about sacrificing everything. It's about making smarter choices and being mindful of where your money goes. Every dollar counts. Segment 3. Automate your savings. Nowadays, technology is your best friend in the world of saving money. There are tons of budgeting apps out there that can help you track your expenses, set up automatic transfers to your savings account, and even provide financial insights. By automating your savings, you won't even have to think twice about putting money aside. It's like paying yourself first. Segment 4. Cut down unnecessary costs. Let's talk about cutting down unnecessary costs. Take a good look at your monthly subscriptions. Are there any that you hardly use? Cancel them. And when it comes to shopping, try the 24-hour rule. If you're eyeing something that's not a necessity, wait 24 hours. If you still want it, go ahead. But most of the time, you'll find that the urge to splurge fades away. Segment 5. The power of meal planning. Believe it or not, one of the biggest money drains is eating out. I know, it's convenient, but cooking at home can save you a fortune. Try meal planning. Not only is it healthier, but it's also cost-effective. Make a grocery list, stick to it, and watch your savings grow as your dining out expenses shrink. Segment 6. Stay motivated and celebrate milestones. Saving $10,000 is a journey, and it's important to celebrate the milestones along the way. Treat yourself to a small reward every time you hit a certain savings goal. It could be a relaxing spa day, a weekend getaway, or even just a fancy dinner. Recognizing your progress will keep you motivated and excited about reaching that $10,000 finish line. There you have it, money savers. A step-by-step guide on how to save $10,000 in 52 weeks. Remember, it's all about setting that goal, creating a plan, and making mindful choices. Saving money is empowering, and it's incredible how a little discipline can lead to huge rewards. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button for more financial wisdom. Until next time, keep saving and keep smiling. Take care and see you in the next video.